coming to work every day it's exciting because I do so many different things at different levels. Because working from with primary school, middle school, and senior school gives you such a insight into the way the curriculum develops, the way the program works, and what you need to do at different level, and how you look at literacy as a complete entity, that you don't box it into different things, and you see the progression of ideas from grade 1 to grade 12. And I guess the challenge is that you supervise work at the lowest level, but you're also teaching at the highest level, and you have the challenge of dealing with 15-16-year-olds and the issues therein. But I must say that Inventure has been such a learning experience for me, but it's also been such a warm and nurturing environment, because I know that I can just walk up to Malika's cabin and say, you know what, this is what is happening. I can go up to Nurain and say, Nurain, I don't think I'm comfortable doing this, and I know that I will be heard. And that for a teacher is very important. And just as you create safe spaces for students, for learning to happen, you have to be able to create those spaces for teachers as well. And I think for me that has been the greatest takeaway. And that's what motivates me to come to work every day. Because I do different things, I do exciting things, and I have the support that I require.